with gusts up to 26. So I was debating whether or not to wear a jacket or not. You know, good afternoon, everybody. This is Dave, and we're on our Anderson loop, Anderson, Texas loop. It is Wednesday, the 7th, and it's been a few days since we've ridden. I think since last Friday. Last Friday we were supposed to get an inch of rain, and we ended up getting 2 inches of rain. So that kept the roads kind of muddy and wet, so we kind of stayed in. But we also stayed in because during that storm I had parked the bike out just outside the back door, and we had some pretty strong storms come through, and it blew down, knocked over the bike with the winds, and it happened to fall right on my Shimano gear shifter knob, and it busted the cover off. So luckily I was able to get onto Amazon and find the part number and have it delivered. Got it Monday afternoon, and switched out the gear. I had to watch YouTube videos. I had done it all completely wrong, take the old one off. And yeah, I'll leave a link in the description here for the Shimano gear shifter thumb lever, and it was only like 25, 26 bucks, and it took about maybe a half hour or so to replace it. Had to I had it all apart. The old one I basically pried off, and I was watching some YouTube videos how to replace it, and at first they wanted me to take off the handle at the end here, the little tube, but that thing was not budging for anything, and I started breaking it, so I decided just to leave well enough alone, and got the new one on, threaded the new cable through the thin tube, and luckily it all went on nice and easy. And had to make an adjustment on the cable, but that's one reason I didn't want to go out, because I didn't have any lower gears to shift to, and there's one little hill on this loop that you need to downshift it to at least second gear on the Shimano. So that's where I was with that. And we started this ride, it was 12:38 in the afternoon. Oh shit, and I just lost something. Hold on. I want a little selfie stick. Thought I put that in there tight enough, but I guess not. I gotta close that in there, and it just wants to bounce out. So. There. Always something. So yeah, we're probably down to our second to last ride before we finish up with this house sit on Friday morning. And then we'll be heading over to the Austin area. It's 69 degrees, and you can hopefully you can hear me okay. The wind is from the south, and it's pretty brisk. I think it was like 13. Supposed to get up to 71, but I think it's just you're not gonna be able to feel it very much with the partly sunny skies and the brisk wind on it. So we're gonna go back, pick up that jacket. Yeah, just heading back into the headwind. Heading due south, it's quite a bit of a chill. I know most of you people from the north say, well, 60, that's swimming weather. We're gonna get this jacket and we'll be right back. All right, well, we got our lightweight jacket on. All right, got the battery changed out. About ready to head up on Highway 30 here. Oh, I tell you, just in the 1 or 2 minutes that I was there, I was passed up about 4 times by vehicles. Oh, I got your chewies right here. Oh, where's your biscuits? Thought I'd take a little break. My seat is killing me. In fact, I want to raise this up just a tad. And show you guys, this is Gibbons Creek. Looks like she's up a little bit still from the rain last Friday night, Saturday. Flowing pretty good. Yeah, you can see we got 2 to 3 bars of battery left. That last stretch into the wind really seemed to suck the battery out. But I think we only got about a mile to go. That should be pretty good. Alright, we're back home again. Let's just check the mail here, make sure. Whoop, they haven't come yet. And open the gate. Well, that wind was pretty brutal today. It really sucked a lot of juice out of my 2 batteries. I'm down to 1 bar on my second battery. So, I guess a lot of wind resistance. Anyways, we got one more trip coming up tomorrow probably. And then we head over to the Austin area for a month of house sitting. Remember I left blink control on the handlebar here, just so you guys ever get need to get that replaced, just follow that link and that'll go right to the web page. But appreciate you coming along on this Wednesday afternoon, and until next time, adios.